Carpool, a leading Central Virginia car wash service with 7 locations, is using Everydoor direct mail to drive phenomenal results.
Hi, I'm Benny Williams. I'm the general manager of Carpool. I've been with Carpool for 17 years, and we recently started using Everydoor direct mail. We've seen phenomenal results.
Everydoor direct mail is the easiest and most affordable way to mail your offers to every address in your local community.
Hi, my name is Sierra Crook. I've been working at Carpool for a little over a year now, and I've been seeing a lot of these coupons. Customers really seem to like them a lot.
No mailing list, permit, or direct mail experience is required. Grow your business with Everydoor direct mail today.